Welcome to Disversal Adventures. We are at Hollywood Studios today. We haven't been here in forever. So come join our adventure. Oh yeah. That way. Yep. There you go. Screening is just like Disney Springs. They just do your forehead and there you go. Hagrid's, what is this, motorbike journey for the first time ever, because we haven't been to Universal since it's opened. We're gonna go have some fun. Oh yeah. So that ride was a lot of fun, like a lot more fun than I thought it was going to be. Really fast. I was sitting on the bike, she was on the sidecar. So I don't know how the sidecar experience was, but like sitting on the bike, it made me really feel like I was riding a motorcycle. But yeah, a lot of fun. So now we're headed to that. Just ate lunch. We live in a Wizarding World of Harry Potter, and we're going to Cat in the Hat. I haven't rode that in forever. Let's go ride it. So the masks get really hot, but coming in like a Cat in the Hat really helps because the air feels so good. These fans that we have, I really highly recommend getting these because they blow right on the mask and right on your face at all times. Well, it feels so good. It feels so good.
That bump made us jump. We looked, then we saw him step in on the map. We looked and we saw him, the Cat in the Hat.
Cat, go away. You do not want to play. He should not be about when your mother is out.
Why, we can have lots of good fun, if you wish, with a game that I call Up, Up, Up with a Pig.
I'm the cat with a cup and a cake on the top of my hat. Woo! Woo! Woo!
Our fish came down too. It fell in before hot.
Do I like this? Oh no, I do not. I will pick up the book. You will see something new. And I call them Thing 1 and Thing 2. They are
I forgot how much I like that ride. But now we're gonna do one more ride before we go home for the day. Just a short little trip today. We're gonna head over and go ride this Spider-Man. Love this ride.
Just get back to the bugle and...
Starting to heat up.
Guess that wraps things up. You guys did all right. But don't give up your day job. Say cheese. See you later. Congratulations, you're heroes.
Well, that was our day from Islands of Adventure. It was fun. A little short little trip. Haven't been forever. It's our she just got an annual pass today, so you'll be seeing more of the videos from Islands of Adventure and Universal, and possibly Volcano Bay. So, but you'll still see the Disney ones too. So we'll see you guys later. And remember to live your adventure. Bye bye.